Hello everyone! A while ago I made a video and I was making the mousse cakes. It was my very first video. For some reason I decided to make not very easy cakes for the first time, but I had a lot of fun and I learned a lot. So today I decided to make video again, and this time I'm using this little cute book with French recipes, and I chose to make a Madeleine. I love Madeleines. They are cute little cakes. Yes, they're cakes, they're not cookies. And today we're making banana and brown sugar Madeleines. So I figured, it's November and holidays are coming up, and why not make us ready for holidays by baking something cute that you can share with neighbors, with your family. Put it in a little cute bags, and have fun with it. And so today our first video for holidays. Okay, I hope you enjoy it, and let's start. So first we have to whip our eggs with brown sugar for some time. So it's called the ribbon stage. It's when you see the whisk actually leave like a ribbon, and it's not going away, it stays for a few seconds. So that means your eggs are ready. So I'm starting with the eggs. Okay, so our mixture of eggs and sugar doubled in the size, and it has nice consistency, and it reached the ribbon stage. So I don't need whisk anymore. Now I'm adding flour and baking powder and fold it in our egg mixture. So you can see the egg mixture is really nice and fluffy. So I'm folding in. Now I'm folding in almond flour and a little bit of salt. Also, you can use hazelnut flour. I don't have it in the moment. This will add really nice nutty character flavor to your Madeleines. And again, we're all folding together. Now we're adding our bananas, which I already cut in little pieces. Again, folding in together, and in the end I'm adding butter. I melted it in a microwave, and again all mixing in a folding action. Okay, so I put my my butter in a bag, but I'm not gonna use it right now. I put it in the fridge for a few hours. Better for overnight, but I'm not that patient, so a couple of hours I think you'll be fine. So I'll see you in a few hours. I got my dough back from the fridge. I sprayed my Madeleine mold with oil, and now I'm gonna pipe our little Madeleines. I have small size, like bite-sized Madeleines. They are very cute. I like when it's bite-sized, very small. So I'm gonna pipe them, and then my oven is preheating right now, and then they go in the oven for about 10-11 minutes, depending on your own oven. Depending on your oven. While I was making these little Madeleines, they're ready to go into the oven, I got an idea just for an experiment. So I decided to bake these little cakes, the same dough, the same butter for Madeleines, and then I'll show you later the trick that I'm gonna make with these cakes also. So we'll see what happens later. Cute little mini Madeleines are all ready, and now I put them here. Oh, they're so cute. And now we need to cool them down. And then I'll bake some more, and I'll show you a little trick which is not in recipe, but I think it's gonna look great. Our Madeleines are ready, and because they are so good, they disappearing so quickly, so I decided to make one more batch. So there we go. They are so beautiful and tasty, and they're not too sweet, and they have nice bananas in there, and because we're not puree bananas and just put in pieces, it's actually lovely. Look at them. You won't just eat them, but like I said, I have an idea. You don't have to make it. I put them in the freezer, and I'll let you know later what we're gonna do with them. Actually, I was gonna mention, don't make my mistake. If you're gonna use the same mold a few times, spray it with oil every time. Yeah, I'm actually thinking about buying silicone mold for Madeleines. It's much easier. Look at those ones. They were baked in a silicone mold. They're perfect. So it's just an idea. Alright, and see you later when these guys are cooled down and chilled in a freezer. My Madeleines out of the freezer, and now I'm gonna show you what idea I have. It's sort of upgrading. I don't know, you don't have to do it, but I like that idea. So first of all, you can just dip the half of it. I'll talk about the glaze a little bit later. You can do that, right? Or you can dip the whole thing in it. Yes, this is a glaze. It's very easy to make, and I put recipe down below in a box. I just melt the chocolate, put a little bit oil in it. I have grapeseed oil and crushed nuts, any nuts to your liking. And see how, because our little cakes were in the freezer, how fast the chocolate sets. So, and that's how we're gonna make our Madeleines even prettier and tastier, because who doesn't like chocolate? So now I'm gonna try to make this one and see if it works. Yeah, it's beautiful. So if you wanna surprise your guests, that will be the big surprise. Nobody will be expecting that, and it's so easy and tasty. I'll try to show it to you. See how nice and shiny and with nuts. It's beautiful. So, and as idea, that's what I was talking about in the beginning. You can pack your little Madeleines and share it with everyone who you love. So that's all. Have fun with it, enjoy, and I hope you like my video. See you in the next video. Bye!